Hi guys, welcome back to another video, another bite-sized video. In today's video guys, we are going to be making some banana balls. This is a pretty traditional recipe. However, we are going to be adding our own, spin on it. Guys, so my water is boiling. I'm going to add in my bananas. This is really bananas when they're frozen. We want to make sure to add them in while your water is boiling. Okay, so I just realized that I was having you guys watch the pot boil. Guys, this is a treat that I grew up eating. I haven't had it in years. And as I was sitting, it just came back to me. I was trying to come up with some video ideas. And this one just came to me. Like watching some videos, this is a very similar process. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next step. Okay guys, so here we have our banana, very fat banana, and our potato. I'm going to go ahead and mash them. I'm using a masher. If you want to, guys, you can add this to a blender. That's completely fine by me. If you want them like super fine, super fast. Okay. I'm gonna add some cheese to this while it's hot. About 2 also tablespoons of cheese. Just put it to melt into there. Now we get to season. Okay? Of course, we're adding parsley. About 2 teaspoons of parsley. Alright, parsley flakes. Adding some complete seasoning. About 1 tablespoon of teaspoon, sorry, of that. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of unsalted butter. Okay guys, so my phone actually just shut off, but the last thing I added was my butter. That's the last thing that I saw me add. And then I added some paprika. That is a black pepper. I'm not sure if you guys saw me add the complete seasoning. As extra security, I'm just going to add a sprinkle of flour to it. Just about, not a lot of flour. Maybe a tablespoon. Okay. That's just extra security, extra hygiene. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some baking powder. About half a teaspoon. into the food. The same pot that we have sauce. Meat in, seared or meat in, sorry. We are going to the brand of cream cheese that I use. It is extremely reasonably priced. Okay guys, so I'm about to roll these into some balls. And if I had my kitchen scale, I would do them on the size, like make sure that they were all the same size. But I didn't have it. Actually, you know, solve it the same way you would mash potato, just do it. For this part of the process, I did add a little bit of oil to my hands. And that's it. That is out. Okay. So. Grab some filling. I think this just gives it that final touch. Okay, so that's one down. With adding balls here, now we have to just fry them up. Alright guys. This needs to get very hot. I don't have a thermometer or anything like that. Usually, you know, I just gauge the oil. That's what I do. Okay guys, so one way you know that my oil is ready is I sprinkle some hot water into it and I listen to the crackle. Once the crackling stops, then we start to fry. Okay guys, that's just one way to do it. You can't want to dip your fingers into the hot oil. Trust me, that is what's happening to the pan. Usually this is not going to hold your pot, but I know that my oil is still within a good range because it's still bubbling highly. Okay? That's how I gauge. And look at the The oil is a bit too hot. I'm going to show you. Even though they are not raw, they won't be raw even if I take. Alright. It's just. Ah! No! Just put them there. This one has raw skin. So because I don't want this one to ruin the entire batch, I'm going to go ahead and cook it. Okay? Because it will ruin the entire batch. Meaning that its content will burn out and mess up oil. We don't want that. Okay?
So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. This is our final product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share today's video. Now guys, I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. It is extremely hot, so leave a like for my burnt fingers. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bon appetit and keep on watching.